all, this is Harry J from Ask Communication. Now I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm gonna show you how you can replace hard drive to your Dell computer. So what we have to do, we have to take out all the cable to close the computer and flip it over. We're gonna take out all the screw from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw as I see. 7 here underneath the sticker sometime you have. So 7 screw I have. I'm using this screwdriver. I have different sort of a screwdriver here. Let's see which one is fit. This one. Okay, this one, the small one. Two more screw at the top. I forget them. So take out total 9 screw you have. Now we can take this off very easy. Normally you have some clip and all that, but this one is one of the most easiest computer to throw apart or take out. For changing hard drive, here is the hard drive. It's very easy process. You see here, you have some sticker connected. I will take this off. If I could have some problem with this cable. Here you have the connector. You have something to hold. You pull this out. Very simple connector. You have one screw here. You have to lose it. So I'm gonna lose this screw. One more screw. You have one screw here, one screw here. 2 screw. Check properly. Both screws out. Hard drive I take out. See, this is Kingston hard drive. Same way I have to buy. Take out this cover. You have 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a new SSD hard drive in this and put back at same place the same way and connect. That's all. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, boy.